Hey guys, Jake with FASS EGR Solutions. We've got this 2024 L5P Duramax here. We just installed an EGR filter kit on. Those will be shipping very soon. And we've already mentioned before how this filter kit for the EGR system eliminates 85% of the particulate matter from the EGR stream. And that's great, but what does that actually mean for you? Well, we were talking to some veteran diesel experts in the industry that do not work for us. This is a third party, and they mentioned how they typically expect to see EGR issues specific to this platform within 125,000 miles of new. I'll say that again. They expect to see EGR problems within about 125,000, sometimes less, miles on these trucks. So what it means for you to have an EGR filter kit on is drastically extending that maintenance interval. We're talking about an 85% reduction in the harmful particulate matter that you would otherwise be dealing with, that would otherwise be causing issues with these trucks. So if you think about FASS as a fuel system, our other company, we're expecting to triple the life of the injection system through proper filtration. So with these, we expect to see drastically 6, 7, 8 times the normal life of the EGR system simply by filtering out the particulate matter.